Do it then, you penis. Just hurry up and do it, you penis.
You do it, penis.
You do it, penis. You do I'm trying to work here. He's distracting me.
He's distracting you.
I'm a hip hop horse. I'm a hip hop horse.
Go Marcus. Go Marcus. Can you stop fighting?
I'm trying, but this geek here.
Bring in the trumpets.
Bring on the trumpet.
Putting all that nerd vibes on me.
Nerd vibes. Ah, you geek.
I like the way he says my name.
I like the way he says my name.
I want a hip hop horse.
Go Marcus. A 1 to the 2 to the 3 to the 4. I'm a hip hop horse. Go Marcus. Go Marcus. Go Marcus. Go Marcus. Yes, Slaney. Alright, so our kids.
Alright, Saki, don't fucking talk on the scouts. It's my fucking
yeah. Steven Gerrard. Hey, Toby. Hey, do it.
What?
Steven Gerrard.
Hey, you gotta ask me a question.
What do you think about the game today?
I think we played well, you know. I think the penalty. I don't think the penalty was actually a penalty, you know, because I didn't mean to fall over. Because I rolled into the box, had a bit of momentum on me, and then I got a little barge from I think it was Perrier, and then so fell to the floor, got the penalty. What the fuck are you doing? Got the penalty. Now I'm gonna have to kick the shit out of this cheeky bastard.
Right, yeah.
Cheeky fucking bastard.
Yeah.